Hi everyone, this is Mike from Rokoko. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to live stream body and face capture from Rokoko Studio onto the same character in the Unreal Engine version 4.23. In addition, this video will also be an update of the face capture blueprint for Unreal 4.23 and above. I will be going through this step by step, so feel free to skip ahead of parts that you already know. Now that I have my Smart Suit Pro on and my face capture phone mount, let's go ahead and start building our scene in Unreal. I have a blank scene, and we're going to be using the Rokoko Mime Bruno to show you this setup. Now again, this is going to be live streaming from Rokoko, streaming the body and the face live into Unreal. And this is for Unreal 4.23 and 4.24. Anything prior to 4.23, you're going to have to go to a previous tutorial, which we'll leave a link in the comments below. So let's get everything started. So first I'm going to set up his body. If you haven't done this before, great. If not, then skip ahead and we'll head over to the face. Excellent. So I'm going to right click the mesh of my character, head over to create, animation blueprint. And I'm going to call this Bruno _live. Oop, I already have one named that way. Live 01. Great. I'm going to double click it. Wonderful. So we have this animation graph, and we're just going to import 4 nodes. It's a really simple blueprint. Excellent. So let's right click and then let's see, get Smart Suit Controller. Right click Smart Suit Body Pose. And then right click Component. There it is, component to local. Alrighty, so we have these 4 nodes and we're going to link all of them. Excellent. Then we're going to go into the Smart Suit Body Pose nodes, and this will be what it is at default. We're going to open up the bone map. And what this does is that it correlates the skeleton joints that the Rokoko Studio is streaming into Unreal. You're now going to assign it to your specific character's skeleton. So you have hips, stomach, chest, neck, all the way down to right toe. In the new 4.24 Rokoko Live, you can actually now save these. There is a tutorial on that. I will also add that in the comments below. Excellent. So for example, we're going to have the bone map. We have hips. And I'm going to match it to my skeleton's hips. Sometimes it's called pelvis. It's really depending on your own skeleton, your character's skeleton. So then we have stomach, and I'm going to do that to spine 1, chest, spine 2. And then I'm going to go down and just match up the corresponding joints correctly. Excellent. And then I'm going to click relative to start. So wherever we put this character in our scene, that will be the origin for that character based off of Rokoko Studio's origin. Alrighty. Then I'm going to compile. I'm going to save. Excellent. That's all set up. Now, get out of that. Now we're going to set up the face. First thing I'm going to do is to create the remap blueprint for Bruno's face. In the content browser, I'm going to right-click, go to Blueprints, Blueprint Class, expand all classes, type in Rokoko Face Map Data, choose that blueprint class, and click Select. Let's name it Bruno Remap. Open it, and let's move on to the next step. In the Details panel, you're going to have a very familiar interface. This is just like the remapping of joints for streaming body motion capture. There are 2 lists. The left side is what Rokoko Studio is sending to Unreal, and the right side is where you want the data to go to your custom character. What you want to do is type in the blend shape or morph targets of your character into the corresponding slots. For example, if your character's eyebrow blend shape is named eyebrow down left, you would type in eyebrow down left into the brow down left slot. Rokoko's face capture blend shape or morph target naming convention is based off of the AR Kit's naming convention. So if your character is set up with the ARKit's naming convention, like Bruno, then you're all set to go. If not, go through this list and fill in the corresponding names for your character's blend shapes. Hit compile and save. Now that we have the remapping for the face setup, let's return to our Bruno live animation blueprint that we created for the body earlier. This alteration to the blueprint is for when you want to stream both body and face to the same character. If you want to stream just the body, keep your original animation blueprint that we created earlier. If you want to stream just the face, follow these new steps in a new animation blueprint. What we're going to do is create two nodes and connect everything else. Right-click, search Make Live Link Subject Name, drag this out and create Live Link Pose. Connect your component to local node to the Live Link Pose node, and connect this to the output pose. In the subject name, I'm going to type in the ID name of the face input from Rokoko Studio. If you don't remember it, head back to Studio and check in the Scene Overview panel in your live project. Take this name and type it into the subject name of the Make Live Link Subject Name node. I'm going to go to the Details panel of the Live Link pose. Under Retarget Asset, I'm going to select my remapping blueprint that I created earlier. Compile and save. Make sure the Smart Suit controller and the Smart Suit receiver are in the scene. If you haven't dropped that in, just head over to your modes and type in Smart, and both these items will pop up, and just drag them into your scene. Now, these objects, this is how Unreal can read the data from Rokoko. So we're going to make sure that our streaming data port is the same, as well as our VP port, listen port, is the same. So I believe the default is 14043 and 14045. Okay. And then under the controller, we want to make sure that the suit name is in. So 3D as in dog, X as in xylophone, and we're going to do auto connect as well. If you don't know these numbers or for the streaming data port as well as your suit name, just head back over to Rokoko, and the live scene objects, this will show you where it is. So the 3DX is right there. That's the name of the suit. And then if you head over down to the live stream, now this is a premium feature, so unless you have Rokoko Studio Pro, you will not be able to stream live data into Unreal. So we're gonna do click on that live stream, and then so up on the top it shows your streaming data port, which is 14043, and our VP port 14045, and then just click on the cogwheel and you can put in your IP address, your local IP address, or if you're streaming it to another computer, which I definitely recommend, then do that IP address. Excellent. So now we're gonna exit out. I'm looking weird because I'm not calibrated. Let's head on back. Alrighty, so I'm gonna go to the Details tab of Bruno. Under Animation, Animation Class, I'm gonna choose our new Bruno Live Animation Blueprint. Our last step is to set up Live Link. This is a native plugin in Unreal. If you haven't enabled it yet, go to Edit, Plugins, Built-in, Search, Live Link, and enable it. You will need to restart your Unreal project. To activate Live Link, go to Window, Live Link, Source, Rokoko Studio Source, Studio. And then let's hit play and see. Hey! Okay. So there you go, everyone. I'm streaming the face and the body from Rokoko Studio into Unreal version 4.23 and above. Thank you so much for your patience while we get this fix out there. Thank you for all the content that you do. Thank you for your support and building our community. We really appreciate it. So like this video, share this video, comment on this video, head over to Rokoko.com to check out all of our other products. And of course, you can always email us at support@Rokoko.com if you need any help with anything else. Thank you very much, and until next time, take care.